Do you ever feel like you're being watched? I do. This is a free cooking demonstration. And they're being creepers about it. Pick a joy. No. Here, I'll bring it here. We are learning how to make mushroom cappuccino. Here's the recipe if you want to make that. He added white wine to it whenever you add the salt and pepper. Thank you. Here it is without the bread in it. This is the gluten-free version. This is the gluten version. Mushroom cappuccino. Now we're learning how to make baby leaf spinach and fresh mushrooms. This one just says portobello mushrooms. The last one had 5 mushrooms in it, including portobello and shiitake. But this one just has portobello. Well, it does have some mixed chopped mushrooms actually. Take that back. And here's what it looks like.
So you have corned beef, Kraft cheese, or whatever you have. Both the sides of the
There's your recipe. And here's a glimpse of how they're showing us how to make it.
They've been washed. The stem has been stacked.
Have it. There's the mushrooms. They hide them. Looky in there. There it is. The broiled supreme of free-range chicken served over macaroni and cheese. Good macaroni and cheese, not easy mac. That's a tomato.
There is mushrooms in everything.
Yes. Eat it with the chicken. I think it's good. Everybody else likes it.
It's the only thing you can't. You should ask him for just chicken.
You mixed it all together up there. I don't think there's hope.
I need a knife.
Yep. What did you just get? I ordered room service. What'd you get? Cookies. Chips. Chips.
Oh, wow. What's in here?
Chips.
Like chips?
I did. Are you going to eat them all right now?